In dialectical behaviour therapy, or DBT, three primary states of mind are presented: reasonable mind, emotion mind, and wise mind. In this video, I'll explore the qualities of each state, and watch until the end of this video as I'll provide three methods for connecting with wise mind. When you are in emotion mind, you make judgments or decisions based solely on how you feel. You are governed by moods, feelings, and urges to do or say things. When in emotion mind, thoughts and judgments can become distorted, which makes it very difficult to make healthy, balanced decisions about your life. When completely in emotion mind, facts, reason, and logic are not important. The various factors that make you vulnerable to emotion mind, including not sleeping, drugs, alcohol, illness, hunger, overeating, poor nutrition, and stress. Now, experiencing emotions is not a bad thing. It's great to feel love, joy, and excitement. Emotions enable you to experience fulfilling relationships with others and can fuel hard work towards a worthy cause. Problems occur when emotions control you and cause you to act on impulse. Now, this can obviously lead to conflict with others, problematic behaviours, and lead to depression and anxiety. When operating from reasonable mind, you view the world rationally and pay attention to facts, logic, and pragmatics. How you feel doesn't matter, and how others feel doesn't matter, because you're looking for the hard facts. Reason and logic is helpful for problem solving and planning. It's reasonable mind that has enabled us to create technology, medicine, science, mathematics, and so forth. But too much rational thinking can be a problem as you favour logic over emotion. So emotions such as love, hate, and guilt become irrelevant as you are ruled by facts, reason, and logic. If reasonable mind is too dominant, it can be difficult to make friends or have a partner, as relationships demand a sensitivity to other people's emotions. Wise mind results in the synthesis of both emotion mind and reasonable mind, but it's also more than this. Wise mind also includes intuition and inner wisdom. Inner wisdom is the ability to access and then apply knowledge, experience, and common sense to a situation. So wise mind is the integration of all ways of knowing by observing, knowing by analysing, knowing by noticing a feeling in the body, knowing by what you do, and knowing by intuition. Wise mind enables you to make the right decision and take the best course of action. And remember, we all have the ability to be wise, but sometimes we can struggle accessing it. Learning to practice wise mind takes time and patience. It's a bit like trying to find a channel on the radio. You first hear a lot of noise, but eventually you hear your channel with clarity and ease. I'm going to share three short exercises that will enable you to access wise mind. The first exercise is called breathing wise mind in and breathing wise mind out. Sit in a comfortable but attentive position, so in an awake posture. As you sit there, focus your mind on your breath. Attend to your breath coming in and your breath going out. As you breathe in, say silently to yourself, wise mind in. And as you breathe out, say silently to yourself, wise mind out. Continue saying wise mind in as you breathe in and wise mind out as you breathe out. And see if any wisdom or intuition begin to emerge. You may need to do this for a few minutes. The next exercise is called Ask Wise Mind a Question. So again, make sure you are in a comfortable position and focus your mind on your breath. As you breathe in, ask yourself a question. As you exhale, listen for the answer. Keep asking with each in-breath and listening with each out-breath. See if an answer comes to you. Again, you may need to try this for a few minutes, but if no answer comes, you can try again another time. The final exercise is called Is This Wise Mind? Bring to mind something you want to do or something you don't want to do, an opinion you have or something you are doing right now. Focus your mind on your breath. Notice your breath coming in and notice your breath leaving your body. As you inhale, ask yourself, is this wise mind? As you exhale, listen for the answer. Keep asking with each in-breath and listen with each out-breath. See if an answer comes to you. If not, perhaps there's no answer right now, or try again another time. Any mindfulness practice will facilitate wise mind. Mindfulness skills focus on the synthesis of reasonable mind and emotion mind. I have a number of mindfulness practices on my YouTube channel and I've added links to helpful exercises below. You may also be interested in the video on the screen now. Just click the screen to view the video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and I look forward to seeing you soon.